Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom between a rock and a hard place, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to be in a tough situation in which you have to make a hard decision. Imagine two friends working together for over 10 years. One of them achieves a promotion and is now the office manager. She enjoys it until she has to make a tough decision that could affect their friendship. I'm sorry, I've been stuck between a rock and a hard place, but you've been late 5 times this month with no explanations. I have to give you a verbal warning. Here are some further examples, firstly in social situations. 3 close friends met up for a chat. Shortly after, there was an argument between 2 of them. I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place, and I can't pick sides, so let's just forget about it. The children were heard fighting in their room. When their mother came in, they both blamed each other. You are putting me between a rock and a hard place. I need you both to tell me the truth right now. My mother and I have a great relationship these days, but it wasn't always like that. You were tough to deal with as a kid. You always stuck me between a rock and a hard place with you and your brother. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The man really dislikes working for the company, but doesn't really have a choice in this economic climate. I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place in this job. If I leave, I'll be unemployed. I'll have to wait it out and hope things improve. The team leader was caught cutting corners by a staff member. When a promotion became available, the staff member applied for it. I have you between a rock and a hard place. If you don't give me the promotion, I'll tell your manager what you did. With an economic downturn imminent, the company owner faced a big decision. I think we could go under if I don't sell now, but I can't face having to sell what I've built. I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. Where did you hear the expression between a rock and a hard place? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.